How to copy and share Threads profile link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can copy and share your Threads profile link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to copy and share your Threads profile link, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Threads application here. And once you launch the Threads app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you want to just tap the profile icon here, and once you tap the profile icon you should be able to see your account details here. And now if you want to copy your own profile link, you can basically just tap the share profile option over here, and once you tap on share profile here you'll find the link. So you can basically just tap the copy option to copy the link, and now you can paste them and send it to anyone or anybody who else to ask for your profile link. This way you can copy and share your Threads profile link. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.